Hello Acorn class! We've started our journey of learning to read, and that starts with our set 1 sounds. So in this video I'm going to show you one of our sounds. We need to know what it looks like, what it sounds like, and how we write that sound. We'll also have a look at some words that use that sound as well. So let's go and have a look at our sound. Our sound today is ah. Ah. That's a bouncy sound. Ah, ah, ah. We bounce the sound for this one. So let's have a look at some words that use the ah sound. My turn first, then your turn. Apple. Ant. Good. Acrobat. Good. Astronaut. Good. So let's have a look at our sound. Our sound today is ah, ah, ah. Good. Let's have a look at the picture that helps us to remember the sound. So we've got ah for apple today, and we go around the apple and down the leaf. Around the apple and down the leaf. And that helps us to remember when we're writing it. So let's write it now on the board. So we start at the top, we go around the apple and down the leaf. Around the apple and down the leaf. So can you see how many words you can find that have the ah sound in them? Keep practicing to write it. Remember to start at the top and go around the apple first. Keep practicing to say the sound and write it. How many words can you find that have that ah sound in them? I hope you enjoyed learning today's sound. Keep practicing. Remember, you can play the video as many times as you need to remember that sound. Keep checking out the playlist, because as we learn more sounds, I'll keep adding more videos in until we know all of those set 1 sounds. You're doing so well, Acorn class. I'm so proud of you. Keep practicing. See you soon.